I'm Efrem Lawrence, attorney at E.L Law Firm, and in this video, I give massage therapists some recommendations on how to treat car accident patients that don't have MedPay or PIP. Now, we all come across tough times where money is tight and getting services that we need is hard to come by. So if you choose to treat a car collision patient who does not have PIP or MedPay, I recommend implementing the following. Put them on a payment program. In that payment program, include them having a card on file that you can charge automatically, reduce the duration of the sessions, reduce the frequency of the sessions, and provide them with things that they can do at home to treat themselves. Additionally, if there may be a third party that your patient is going to make a claim against, have your patient sign a document that's a lien. So if down the road they cannot pay or they refuse to pay and then make a third party claim, your interest is protected by that lien. If you implement everything I just said, I believe that you give yourself a much greater chance of actually getting paid when the patient does not have MedPay or PIP.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share the video. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.